put me back.
You gonna what? You gonna go pee in the corner?
Pee.
Oh.
P.
You're gonna pee in the corner?
Crazy word.
We're just pee in the corner, man. Hold on.
Sorry, Mom. I'm fine.
You okay?
I'm totally. Oh.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
I hit. Oh, he didn't hit me. Oh, you hit me that time. I thought you went down.
Watch it. Push it.
Oh.
2 minutes left.
Hit. Oh! I can't even get up, dude.
Are you hit?
Yeah, not anymore.
45 seconds. 45 seconds left. Alright, 3, 2, 1, play!
Oh!
We all like get in a circle and then we put our fingers in between each other's other fingers.
I thought you were about to
Right?
say inside of each other.
And like we'll be like in a circle and then we'll stand in a circle and then we pelvic thrust while saying, yeah.
You guys have fun with that.
Dude, it's so cool. Are you interested?
No? Not at all.
Hey, come on, it's a free invitation, dude.
I mean,
come on.
you are a
Come on,
gentleman.
at least a tip
At
tap.
least the tip. At least. Come on.
There we go. You guys want a tip tap?
Oh, hell yeah.
Tracer too.
Hell yeah.
He's like, don't touch
Tap.
the tip. got him, Mac.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Whoa! I felt my spit hit my face, dude.
Alright,
Everyone good now?
No? Oh,
Alright.
oops.
With that being said, I'm gonna have blue. You guys can be at spawn point 12.
Whoa.
Red team, you guys can be
Gotta ask first.
May I?
Sure.
Okay, now.
Go ahead.
try and spawn camp from the kill house. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
If I see that, I'm gonna say kill house is off limits. I don't want to do that because that makes it even smaller. Make sense? Do you guys know?
It's that small
You all
room.
know how to play King of the Hill.
The small room that's right there. That's kill house.
Oh, don't.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
we're
don't
trying to
like
get
puppy
your
guard
team up
spawn
in the
because their
air.
spawn's gonna be there. So don't just spawn kill the whole
That's
time.
red team.
So what that means is we should go
Okay.
straight to kill house and
It's gonna
spawn
start
kill.
off neutral, which means it's gonna be sitting right next to it. That is neutral.
Because that's obviously the
You guys
strategy
have
that will
30
win.
seconds
I
at the
know.
beginning of the time to
Duh, come on.
doing this. Make sense?
Rudder. What if I take the stick and just run away with it?
That's a good question.
Do we win?
No.
No?
It becomes
If you
capture
do
the
that,
flag.
sit out.
Oh, they won't go back.
Oh, you fucker.
One minute on blue team victory.
Oh, no.